guys, welcome back. So this video is how to score a perfect 40 on 40 in the term 1 exam. Now I know CBSE changed the pattern this year and my batch was the first one who gave the whole MCQ and objective type questions, and I guess the only batch. So I guess I do have a little bit of experience on how this actually works and how my teachers taught me. I'll be teaching you. So this is a 30-day study plan. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reading all the chapters which will be coming in your term 1 exam. So you don't need to read them all very thoroughly, just like skim through it once so that you know it, because you've already read it many times, and do this job within the first 7 days of the 30-day study plan. So within a week, just read all the chapters from all of your subjects. So that includes English, Hindi, science, everything. Just read it once, read all the chapters, so you can like take up 4 chapters a day. It's not much because the exams are so near, and it'll just take like 30 minutes to 45 minutes to read one chapter, not more than that. The next thing you need to do after you have read the chapter is to solve the back questions. So the questions at the back of the chapter, you need to solve all of them, especially like the objective type questions. So many of them are repeated, so you can use some reference books for that as well. But CBSE questions are super important and they are repeated each year, so you can also like use previous year question papers, purchase previous year question papers and solve them. Just the MCQ part, there's so many books, so you can purchase them. And so if you're in class 11th or 12th and you're aspiring for NEET 2022, or if you have given NEET this year and want to attempt NEET 2022 again, then I have good news for you. Up until now, by using my code SA1, you could get 10% off on any Unacademy subscription, but now you'll get an extra 10% off in the Unacademy special price week. This offer is valid only and only till September 30th. These subscriptions allow you to enroll in unlimited batches and are specially launched keeping in mind the preparation for NEET 2022. The batches are as follows. Batch starting on 27 September, Samarth Batch 2.0. Batch starting on 29 September, Super Achievers Batch. So some of the perks are unlimited access of Plus subscription, India's top educators, interactive live classes, test series and quizzes, structured courses and PDFs. Now the perks of Iconic subscription involves all of the perks of the Plus subscription, along with live doubt solving, live mentoring session where you can book one-on-one time slots with your mentor, physical notes which will be Unacademy branded notes which are made by top faculties and are reviewed by top rankers, and they will be delivered to your doorstep. You'll not get a better offer than this, so go to the link in my description box below to purchase the subscription and use my code SA1 for an extra 10% off. Thank you so much to Unacademy for sponsoring this video, and let's move ahead. Next thing is to practice and to use the right resources. I cannot emphasize on this enough. People like take out the time to choose the wrong books and they study from it, and it's not worth it. Stick to your NCERT books at first. Nothing comes beyond the NCERT. If it ever comes beyond the NCERT, then it comes from the NCERT exemplar. But for class 10th and 12th, just study from the NCERT. It is so important, especially in mathematics. I know so many students choose like so many different questions from different books. I know those can be helpful, but if you don't have the time, you can just solve your NCERT and your NCERT exemplar and you'll be good to go. Now also, using apps like Flash Prep and Quizlet will allow you to make and study flashcards, which will be so helpful when you're solving your MCQ questions. So just like tap on the flashcard, you'll get the answer. This is a great way to recollect all that you have learned, and you can simply make flashcards, and if you don't have the time, you can simply get it on the apps as well. So make sure that you get these 2 apps. Then Unacademy also has like an offer where they prepare you for term 1 exam, so you can use that as well. They are very helpful. Now another good resource is Study Doku. So this is the name right here, and this website is so helpful, not just for your term 1 exams but also term 2, because they have all the notes for different chapters, all the lectures and everything, like cheat sheets and objective type questions, everything on there which students themselves have put it, so you can just go and check it out. It's so helpful. Now the next thing is to not leave any question when you're giving the term 1 exam. So it's an MCQ question, so the worst thing that you could do is get an answer wrong, but you don't want to miss out on anything. I was so confused in my physical education exam between like 2 questions, but I did not leave any of them. I just trusted my instinct and used my logic, and I got both of them correct. Leave out any question, just solve it, and there's a 1/4 chance that you will be able to get it right. You can also use the elimination method where it is not related to question. Next thing is to manage your time well and to skim through questions. So the very first thing that you need to do when you're solving your term 1 exam is that you read all the questions. So don't just solve one and then take one and do that. Also a way to do it, but reading through everything first definitely helps, because it gives you an idea of the question paper and how it is to be solved and which questions you know and which you don't know. So just do that. And time management is also super important, because you don't want to leave things like you know everything and still you're not able to do it. That's the worst case scenario. You don't want to be in that situation. So just be quick, read the questions very quickly, but carefully, and just take the right option and you'll be good to go. The last thing is to believe in yourself. I know so many students can think that boards are so overwhelming, but at the end of the day it's just an exam. It does not define who you are as a person, and it does not define your intelligence. These are just marks. And yeah, so just chill out, relax, and you'll do great in your board exams. All the best, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.